Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video will show you how you can modify your handrail and then transform it into a handrail with an LED. Let me show you. I'm going to switch on now. Here you go. You will change your current rating into this form. What I did was, this is where the electricity comes in, it comes out. I used the existing bracket. What I did was, I actually cut it off and then I installed a metal strip of 3 centimeters white and 7 mm. You can see it. It's a roughly 3 centimeters wide by 7 mm thick strip. Therefore, I hold this wooden railing onto it. So what happened is I stick the LED strip to the inner rail here. Then my wall is white, and therefore you reflect the light. You actually can see the stairs. Okay. The effect is really good. I hope you like my channel and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video. Thank you.